What to buy and where to buy it this payday. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now, payday pickups, I think, should be a new series, really looking at a bit of a wish list, a lust list of the things that you can have your eye on for payday. I've got fashion items, I've got grooming items, and I've got some really cool lifestyle bits that I absolutely love, and I think you will too. Now, this is a full blog article on manforhimself.com. We've got all these pieces that I'm going to talk about, plus more, so you can check them out. Now, first up is something pretty much in the premium luxury area, and this is the new collection by Louviere. This is a new permanent capsule collection from Spanish brand Louviere. Now, the stuff isn't cheap, but I just think it will set you up for the year. It takes inspiration from nature, and I've got my eyes on these boots. Next up is the new collection from North Face, and this is their 92 Rage collection. It is a super retro with these bright blues and the Aztec design. For me, North Face has always been very much an outdoor brand, but they've done so well in sort of moving into the mainstream, and especially moving into this sort of more street style aesthetic. I have had my eye on a North Face duffel bag for so long, and when I saw this one was out, I had to have it. I absolutely love it, and I'm also got my eyes on the fleece. Next up is the trench coat. This is a new release from Topman. It's slightly bigger, so you can definitely layer through these cooler months, but it'll take you into spring. You'll actually remember when I did the thread video, which is back last year, I had a trench coat there. I'm still wearing it, I'm still loving it. And there are a few other sort of colorways on ASOS. There's a lighter, more stone one, there's a navy one, and there's a green one. So definitely for payday, get yourself a trench coat. Next up is this new release from Adidas, or Adidas, depending on how you say it. And this is a remake of their 1976 night jogger. Now, as with a lot of these streetwear and sportswear collections and releases, this will sell out quickly. Actually, when I bought these from Size, there was already just a few sizes left. Now, this has got high-vis technology across the laces and on the shoes, so if you are going to be using them at night, then you will be seen. But I'm guessing for most of you, like me, this is more of a style statement. And guys, if you do want to see some more sort of high street picks across loads of different budgets, then I do have it on manforhimself.com. Again, they are all linked up there. Now next, we're moving into the grooming. Now this is a brand new release from Joe Malone. It's bronze wood and leather, and it's a cologne intense. So it's slightly deeper and it will last longer than an eau de toilette. I love this because you've got those real masculine leathery notes, but you've got a lightness and a brightness from the bronze wood. Joe Malone is a unisex brand, but I think so many of you guys will absolutely love this one. Since I got it about a week and a half ago, I've been wearing it non-stop. And it might actually be one that I move into a full review later on in this month. Next up are two products from Ford Grooming. Again, not cheap, but you've worked hard all month. Get your eyes on the prize and go for one of these. The shave cream is so thick, so luxurious, and it gives a super close and clean shave. It's got an amazing minty scent, and actually, you can also use this as a beard mask. And if you more prefer sort of shave oil, especially if you want to keep it really neat around any sort of particular facial hair, then the shave oil is also amazing. And looking at some of my favorite products across the month, I have got a Sheer Revival Crystal Lake. You will have seen that actually in a product review, which we had, I think 2-3 weeks ago. I have absolutely loved it, and there will be more Sheer Revival products coming up. And actually, if you want to see any more hair products, then again, the products pages on Man For Himself are up there, and a few of you guys have actually left your own reviews on Crystal Lake. Now into the lifestyle category, these are some products that I think will really make a home, or really in my case, an office. The first one are Crew Cafe coffee pods. Now, I got these it must have been about 3 months ago, and it actually led me to buy a coffee machine. These are fair trade, they're available in all different flavors. You get them in Tesco, Waitrose, online and Amazon, and also the coffee pods can be recycled. I know with a lot of them, you can buy them, then you've got to send them back, or you just bin them. So these are sustainable, they're more mindful, and they taste great. And you can also get them sent straight for your post box, so you can be lazy and just enjoy them. And the next things are things that constantly surround me, and it's candles. You'll see in the back of my video, I always have a candle, and I go for some of the best scented candles across all different budgets. My favorite at the moment is the L'Artisan Perfumery one. I did a fragrance review on them. I love them. Their candles are just as good. They smell amazing. The smell lasts. But if you want to go for something a little bit more budget friendly, Then River Island have also just launched their own homeware collection, and this orange one smells amazing, it looks good, again it feels masculine, and it will fit perfectly into a living room or a bedroom. And I wanted to have a bit of fun with this Payday pickups and really put the things that I can't necessarily afford, but the things that I would really like. So I thought, put them out into the universe and they might happen. And the first one is the Men's Vitality Program at Absolute Sanctuary in Thailand. I went to Thailand in October and I absolutely loved it. So any excuse to get myself back there, and also to do a program to revitalize, de-stress, and get myself in the zone. This is on the blog, so if you want to check it out and you're feeling flashy, then go for it. And my second item on the big spenders flash the cash list is the Oblique Life. Now this is a members club. They've got a concierge service, access to events, and jump the queue at restaurants. And that's kind of how I want to be living my life. Don't know about you, but I'm going to put all of these on manforhimself.com. And if you've not yet done so, you can sign up to my newsletter. Again, linked below in the description below. I'll give you all of this stuff plus more. But thank you very much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. Maybe a bit of inspiration for the stuff that you might want to be buying. Again, all linked, all of those things on this site. But thank you again. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then one, where have you been? And two, click it right now. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there, a link to my blog there, and all my social up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.